Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt like your money disappears before the month ends, you're not alone. Managing money can feel stressful, but it doesn't have to be. Today, I'm going to break down the 50/30/20 rule, one of the easiest and most effective ways to manage your finances even if you're just starting out. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to budget your income, save money, and still enjoy life without guilt. So let's jump right in. So what exactly is the 50/30/20 rule? It's a simple budgeting framework that divides your monthly income into three main categories. 50% for needs, things you must pay for. 30% for wants, things you enjoy. 20% for savings or debt repayment, things that secure your future. This rule was popularized by U.S. Senator Elizabeth Warren and her daughter Amelia Warren Tyagi in their book, All Your Worth: The Ultimate Lifetime Money Plan. And the reason it's so effective? It's simple, flexible, and works for almost everyone, whether you earn $1,000 or $10,000 a month. Let's start with the first category, 50% for needs. Needs are the essential things you absolutely can't live without. This includes rent or mortgage, utilities like electricity, water, and internet, groceries, transportation, health insurance, minimum debt payments. Backhand index pointing right example. Let's say your take-home pay is $3,000 per month. According to the 50/30/20 rule, 50% $1,500 should go toward your needs. That means you'd ideally spend $900 on rent, $300 on groceries, $150 on utilities, $150 on transport. That's your $1,500 total. Now, if your needs are taking more than 50% of your income, that's okay temporarily. It just means you'll need to cut back slightly on your wants or find ways to increase income over time. Next is the fun part, 30% for wants. This is your lifestyle money, the things that make life enjoyable. It includes dining out, streaming subscriptions, vacations, shopping, hobbies, upgrades, like a new phone or furniture. Example, from our $3,000 income, 30% $900 goes to wants. So you might spend $150 on Netflix, Spotify, and other subscriptions, $300 eating out, $250 on shopping, $200 on entertainment or travel. These are your wants, not needs. And that's the beauty of this rule. You can still enjoy life and stay financially responsible. Now comes the most powerful part, 20% for savings or debt repayment. This is what builds your future financial security. You can use this 20% for emergency savings, retirement funds, investments, paying off credit card or loan debt faster. Example, from your $3,000 monthly income, 20% $600 goes to savings or debt payments. You might save $300 in an emergency fund, pay $200 towards student loans, invest $100 in a retirement plan or mutual fund. Remember, even small, consistent contributions add up over time. Consistency beats perfection. Adjusting the rule to fit your life. Now, here's an important thing. The 50/30/20 rule is not a strict law. It's a guideline. If you live in an expensive city, your needs might take 60% or more of your income. That's totally fine. Just reduce your wants for now and focus on building savings slowly. Or if you're debt-free and earning more, you can flip it, maybe 40% needs, 20% wants, and 40% savings. The goal isn't perfection. It's awareness and control. Let's do a quick recap using our $3,000 income example. 50% needs equals $1,500. 30% wants equals $900. 20% savings equals $600. That's your $3,000 total perfectly divided. This system helps you cover your basics, enjoy life guilt-free, and still make steady progress toward your financial goals. And that's the 50/30/20 rule, the easiest and most balanced way to manage your money. Start using it today, even with small adjustments. Remember, managing money isn't about being rich. It's about being in control. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more personal finance tips, and tell me in the comments, what's your biggest money challenge right now? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.